Where you going? Where are you going? You gonna get in your exerciser? Really? Here she comes. Here comes trouble. Hi. There's a smile. There's a smile. Here she comes. Wants to grab the camera. Hi. Hello. Hello. Peekaboo. 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 Not quite enough space in there, is there? Hi. What do you see? Stuff to pull? Good morning. And she's up. Hello. And she's going to start pulling things off the table. That's what we do. That is what we do. Right? And talk some more? Asa. And so it begins. 6:30 in the morning. The wrecking ball is awake. You having fun? Yes. We don't need stuff piled up neatly. Let's throw everything on the floor. Yep, everything. Let's go. Everything on the floor. Oh, there's Daddy.
Hello.
Whoop. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.